Alright folks, this is going to be the last installment of this video here. As you can see, we already got the plywood down in here. Don't worry, you didn't want to watch that circus. That was a serious OSHA violation waiting to happen. Getting that in here with the roof already put in. Like it was. So, right now, we're going to get ready to build some nesting boxes. And there you have it, folks. That is one complete house for the turkeys and the peacocks are going. Look at that nice reclaimed chicken house roofing. I think it was going to scrap when I picked it up. And it covered just enough. And I even have leftovers over there for something else. Just gotta come back now and caulk over these holes. I mean, even though there is tie back under there, it'll keep the rain from going down in the house, but I just feel better if I covered it. But she's looking good, nice and covered, nice and ready to use. Now on the next video, we'll be building this house for the chickens. And then in some other video, we'll be putting together a run for more chickens. And then we'll be building another house for chickens. Because we got a problem with buying and hatching chickens. We've already outgrown all we built. And it hasn't even been built. It's a problem.